Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to convert unit of energy in scientific calculator. Just follow the simple steps. I am using Casio FX991EX calculator. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So let's start. So the first thing we need to do is we need to turn on the conversion mode. Shift, go to number 8, that is the conversion. Scroll down and look for energy. Number 3, select your unit you need to convert. Let's go with an example from kgf to meter joule. Just insert the value and you will get the output. 1 kgf is equal to 9.8 meter joule. Similarly, let's go with some other example. Shift 8, scroll down, select energy, that is number 3. Go with another conversion from joule to kgf meter, that's equal to 0.10197. Similarly, we can go with some other examples too. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button. For any questions or queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notifications for future updates. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.